If you already have more to give in this pose, let the right foot come flat to the earth, right knee point up. Still with more to give, pull the knee into the belly. While trying to keep the left knee grounded. It's a challenging stretch, but a very good stretch. But again, this part is optional. And we release the right leg down. Take an inhale to draw back up. Exhale to release the left leg straight again. So here, soft knee on the left. Tuck under the right leg. Left leg, we're going to pick up variation of crouch asana. Crouch asana is a heron's pose. So think of a long leg, just like the bird, right? Leg is supposed to be up in the air. But maybe it's just a bent leg keeping the chest and thigh together with a tall spine, right? Of course, you go where you can go. It's a bind. So from here, I'm going to start to make my way back down to the mat. So right leg, I'm just going to release. I'm going to gently take breath and roll back flat on my mat, bringing my left leg with me. So I'm stretching out of both legs, not just the one I'm holding on to. This is a two-legged stretch, not just one. Opening up the leg to the side, so many places for the hand here. Just try to stay connected to the leg in some way, shape, or form, yeah? You can take peace fingers, big toes, catch the outside of the foot or inside heel, you choose. Yeah? I'm going to work towards the heel. And open up my leg to the side, leaving my hips grounded. And again, it's a two-legged stretch, not just one. We come back, inhale. Exhale, the right leg comes up. Big kick up to sitting. Left leg, bend, tuck under. So I'm sitting on my left foot. Right leg is long. So from here, I'm going to shift forward into lunge on the knee. I'm going to slide back a little far forward. Going into a nice stretch of the back, hip flexor, front glute, hamstring. Pull the belly in, interlace the fingers, take this up. Extend out of the elbows, the side body, the shoulders, reach up. Hands split the front foot, front leg release, tuck under, sink back, child's pose. Inhale, pick up the body. Exhale, we come back down to sitting. Okay. So last time we started with an L shape for the body. This time we're going to try to move into a V. So we'll take a little bit easier V with one leg at a time. We'll add the twist as well, all in one move. So right hand catches the left leg. Right, you can have bottom leg in dorsiflexion or plantar flexion, point of view. So for me, my left leg, or the top leg, I'm going to have in dorsiflexion. I'm going to be weird and let the bottom one be in plantar flexion. It just feels right to me. So from here, tall spine, pull the leg across the body. So there starts the twist. So I'm going to open up my torso the other way.